He's badass. Chris, you gonna jump off this?
Yeah, I can jump off this.
Yeah. Are you really gonna do a double backflip?
That's debatable.
Debatable.
All right, I think this is a suitable place to start off this week's video.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Okay, wait, let's just make one change quickly. There we go, that's much better. Now people will take us seriously.
Oh yeah.
This week we're out in Miami. We're up here, quite literally, at Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah.
Miami. We're shooting the MYRNE Swimwear 2019 range. We got some athletes, some models.
Views from the top.
Enough pools. A kick-ass diving board. You know we're gonna send it. Let's hit it.
Let's do it.
It never ever was enough for you. I never ever was enough. I don't ever want to be left at the back. As your roller coaster leaves this track, I never want to be left at the back. As your roller coaster leaves this track.
So we're about to dive down the dive pool. Colby's gonna jump in and we're gonna get some super slow cinematic underwater shots. We finished up in Miami. I wanted to come out here to Lake Conway in Orlando to get some wakeboarding shots for the video as well. So I hit up my buddy G. He's putting on some of the new beach wear, and we're gonna get some sick wakeboarding shots for the video as well.
It feels right, it feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right, it feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. Going with the gut, never had a doubt.
Alright, that is a wrap on this week's video. It's been such a fun time on this arena shoot out here. Yeah, it was really rad just getting complete creative freedom from a company to kind of just, you know, trust me and let me do what I wanted. So that was rad. Little disclaimer, this is like not a paid promotion for Arena at all. They did hire me to like make the videos for them, but I just kind of wanted to make a little personal thing for myself as well, show a little behind the scenes of what it was like. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, that's a wrap. I'll see you next week Monday. You.